Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage product marketing with Unbounce detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing into your Unbounce account. If you do not have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button and following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New button to start a new landing page. Choose a template that suits your product marketing needs. Consider templates that highlight product features or benefits. Customize the template to align with your brand style. Replace the placeholder text with your product information. Add high-quality images of your product. Include clear and compelling headlines. Incorporate persuasive copy that communicates your product's value proposition. Utilize bullet points to list key features. Incorporate customer testimonials for social proof. Add a strong call to action button. Ensure the button stands out using contrasting colors. Set up forms to capture leads if desired. Use the form settings to manage notifications and integrations. Preview your landing page to see how it looks on different devices. Make adjustments as needed for mobile responsiveness. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button. Choose a custom domain or use Unbounce default subdomain. After publication, monitor your page performance metrics. Analyze conversion rates and traffic sources. Use A/B testing to compare different versions of your landing page. Gather feedback from users to refine your marketing approach. Continuously optimize your landing pages based on data and user insights. Leverage Unbounce pop-ups and sticky bars to increase engagement. Integrate with your email marketing service for lead nurturing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.